In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a toggle list in Notion. If you've ever wanted to keep your pages clean while still storing lots of detail, a toggle list is your best friend. It lets you collapse information under a simple label so you can scan quickly, then expand only what you need. This is perfect for meeting notes, FAQs, project briefs, study guides, or any place where you want clarity without clutter. Here's how simple it is. On any Notion page, type toggle and hit enter to create a new toggle list. That's it. The slash command instantly drops in a toggle block so you can start organizing right away without hunting through menus. Once the toggle appears, you'll notice a small arrow in a label area. When the arrow points to the right, the toggle is closed and you'll only see the label. When it points down, the toggle is open and the content inside is visible. This makes it easy to hide long explanations, examples, or references until you actually need them. Even better, toggles can hold nearly anything you'd use in Notion. Plain text, images, checklists, databases, embeds, and more. So you don't have to compromise on richness just to stay tidy. A big advantage of toggles is that they're searchable. Even if the content is collapsed, Notion search can still find it, so you won't lose track of important details. They're also great for creating clear hierarchies. You can outline a topic with short, action-oriented labels, then reveal deeper layers as you go. This is especially helpful for onboarding guides, standard operating procedures, or lesson plans where readers can move at their own pace. If you prefer working quickly, the slash command is the most efficient path. Notion recognizes toggle consistently across your workspace, so it becomes second nature. If you don't see the block appear after using the command, make sure you're in an editable area of the page and not in a title or a locked database, and confirm the page isn't view only. For best results, keep toggle labels concise and descriptive so scanning is easy. Use consistent wording and, if it fits your style, a well-chosen emoji to make sections stand out without overwhelming the page. Group related toggles under clear headings and reserve them for content that genuinely benefits from being out of sight until needed. To recap, the fastest way to add this powerful, clutter-busting block is simple. Type /toggle and hit enter. Try it on your next page and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Notion workspace.